Good day everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about pharmaceutical suppositories. Suppositories are solid dosage form intended for the insertion into the body cavities, for example rectum, vagina and urethra, where they melt or dissolve and exert localized as well as systemic effect. It means suppositories are solid dosage form and they are used for localized as well as systemic effect. They are generally inserted into the body cavities and including rectum, vagina and urethra. And in these body cavities they melt, they may be melt or dissolve and further releases the drug. There are some advantages of suppositories. For example, it avoids first pass metabolism. First pass metabolism occur in liver, but when the drug is administered through oral route. But here in the case of suppositories, they are inserted into body cavities and there is no chance of first pass metabolism. Suppositories melt at body temperature. It gives localized effect as well as systemic effect. It can be given to unconscious person. If patient is not able to take a medicine by oral route, then suppositories can be used. It is easy to use for pediatric as well as geriatric patient, and specifically it is used for local effect. These are the some advantages of suppositories. Some other advantages of suppositories include it is useful to produce local effect, useful for rapid and direct effect in rectum, and useful to promote evacuation of bowel, and convenient for those drugs causes GIT irritation or vomiting when given through oral route. There are some disadvantages of suppositories also. For example, irritant drug which cause irritation cannot be administered using suppositories dosage form. Embarrassment to patient is also an important disadvantage of suppositories. Suppositories are required a specific low temperature for storage. Means specific condition is required to store a suppository dosage form. And suppositories are not easy to prepare and it is expensive as it requires some specific way to formulate the dosage form as well as storage at low temperature also increase the cost of product. Some other disadvantages of suppositories include fluid content of the rectum is much less than that of small intestine and this may affect the dissolution rate of drug. Change in or reduction in dissolution rate of drug decrease the bioavailability of drug in a particular region. So, fluid content of the rectum is a rate limiting step for the dissolution study of suppositories. It may significantly change the bioavailability of drug, hence therapeutic effect of formulation. Some drug may be degraded by the microbial flora present in the rectum and it is an important limitation for suppositories. From the complete study, it can be summarized that suppositories are solid dosage form. It avoids first pass metabolism and for irritant drugs, suppositories should not be prepared. From the complete study, various questions can be arises including define pharmaceutical suppositories, enlist various advantages and disadvantages of pharmaceutical suppositories. These are some references which can be referred for advanced study. Thank you. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You can contact in the given email ID as well as contact number for further study. Thank you. Thank you very much.